Hi, Miss G. How's the workshop?
I find the workshop actually really engaging. I've been attending a lot of trainings, pero hindi siya ganun. Yun nga, yung parang sinasabi niya na hindi ako maging interested kasi siguro dahil sa facilitator or sa topic. But yung topic kasi natin is yung assertive communication. So, para sa akin, yung flow yung outline ng subject, yung parang yung mga objectives, yung module, and then yung flow ng activities. Parang engaging talaga siya. Parang you're learning and having
you're having fun, yeah. I see. How about the facilitator, Mr. Edwin Abreu?
For the facilitator, actually, kaya ako naging engaging or kaya ako naging interested kasi yung facilitator for me is engaging din. And then, parang ini-embody niya kung ano yung tinuturo niya. So, parang sobrang knowledgeable niya and he knows how to share yung knowledge niya in a good way.
I see. Thank you, Miss G.